Hey Curly Tees! Today let's make a super softening leave-in conditioner using two of my favorite ingredients for the hair, shea butter and aloe vera. Always use distilled or deionized water to make these creations. I usually transfer my distilled water to more durable, smaller bottles for better, longer-term storage.
Distilled water is crucial in water-based products to ensure purity and prevent contamination, thus enhancing the effectiveness and safety of the products you create.
Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties. It's also thought to be antibacterial and to help fight itching and dryness. It seems like glycerin is in dang near every product ever made, but that's for a few good reasons. First, it draws moisture into the hair and the skin. Second, it keeps your actual product from drying out and cracking over time. Betaine is a high-quality humectant known for its ability to help hold moisture and smoothen the skin and the hair. This is beet sugar extract, y'all, not regular beet sugar. They're not the same. Try to get the cosmetic version if that's what you're going to use. BTMS 50 is a conditioning self-emulsifier used here as the main ingredient to keep everything mixed well. BTMS, of course, is the OG. It's the GOAT. It's the go-to softening emulsifier for making leave-in conditioners. It's my favorite because it just works. It's not finicky. I don't have to babysit it. None of that.
BTMS 50 has a positive charge, allowing it to adhere to negatively charged hair strands, providing a conditioning effect that reduces static and frizz.
Cetyl alcohol is a tried and true thickener that works to increase the viscosity of the final product. It is not fancy or new, but it works well. Just be careful of the percentage.
If you could please hurry the f*** up, it would be greatly appreciated.
Become a member at CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY formulas, including instructions, tips, notes, full ingredients lists, and other information.
The incorporation of cetyl esters improves the sensory evaluation of emulsions, providing a desirable feel and enhancing user experience. Containing 50% unsaturated fatty acids, shea butter is said to have superior moisturizing and softening properties. It also helps in the process of prolonged hydration for the hair and skin.
Choose from a range of formula categories and upgrade to private online consultation, if necessary, at CURLYTEA.com. Become a member at CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY formulas, including instructions, tips, notes, full ingredients lists, and other information. Choose from a range of formula categories and upgrade to private online consultation if necessary at CURLYTEA.com. Learn at your own pace at CURLYTEA.com. Create finished products by watching each DIY video.
Nettle extracts exhibit significant anti-inflammatory effects, which can help soothe the scalp and reduce conditions like dandruff and irritation, promoting a healthier environment for hair growth.
Learn at your own pace at CURLYTEA.com. Create finished products by watching each DIY video. Learn at your own pace at CURLYTEA.com. Create finished products by watching each DIY video.
To be safe, I set this mix in the freezer for 5 minutes simply because I'm using shea butter. To keep shea from turning grainy, usually cooling it quickly helps. However, a good amount of time passed before I actually got this into the freezer. Now, here's where it gets interesting.
Choose from a range of formula categories and upgrade to private online consultation if necessary at CURLYTEA.com.
The final product is a super softening leave-in cream meant to help lock in moisture for multiple days. I like this leave-in best on hair that's already damp or wet. If you have a very loose curl pattern or straight hair, you can use this as a rinse-off conditioner. But at least try it as a leave-in, especially if you have very dry hair. Those who are protein sensitive can actually skip the hydrolyzed protein altogether and still have a wonderful leave-in cream. If your hair is fried, you may want to try this formula to see if it helps. Or if your hair is needing of protein, you can actually increase the protein to 1%.
Shout out to the patrons at Patreon and the beautiful subscribers at the website.